bonjour, comment ça va, bienvenue. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own emoji character. Let's get started. If you look at the screen, at the extreme right side, you will see a human with a few lines. And let's press on that. As you can see, I already have a lot of characters. So you're going to press on the plus sign right here. Now, you can either create your emoji from an image or from a camera. And we're going to create our emoji from an image. Okay guys, we're on gallery. Now let's select the picture. Let's confirm. Okay, so this is my head. Now I'm going to press done. And I am a girl, so I'm going to click the girl emoji. So it says I look like this. Time to tweak up my emoji. First we're going to click on the head. And we're going to find the head to use. My head is straight, is round. So I would suggest this one. Let's see which one looks best. Yes, this one looks the best. Okay, time to work on my eyes. I have big eyes, so I'm going to select this one. Beautiful! Now let's select the eyelashes. I really would like these eyelashes. Wow, they look amazing. I can't believe they think my hair is blue. My hair is not blue, it's super dark brown. So let's collect that color. Perfect. Now let's get a hairstyle. I would like ooh, this one looks so pretty. Wow. But it doesn't have a fringe and I have a fringe. So let's carry on looking. I think I found the winner, guys. It's this. It has a bun and a fringe. Beautiful. Let's go into eyebrows. My eyebrow looks like this. Let's get the right color. And voila. My nose. I have a tiny nose, so that's what it looks like. My lips. I think, yeah, this one works best. Now let's work on my ears. This one is the best. Let's work on blush, guys. I think I would like this blush. And my skin tone. Yeah, that's the right skin tone for me. Let's go into style. Let's customize our own items. Whoa, so many to pick from. Maybe we should start with jeans. So if we're starting with jeans, we have to go into bottoms. There it is. Some lovely jeans. Let's look at the patterns. I think we should design our own pattern, guys. Let's get started. First, I'm going to click onto the pencil. And now I'm going to design whatever I want to design. I think I would like some blue and pink jeans. Let's color the half side blue. Like so. And let's color the other side pink. Okay. Whoa, guys. It looks so beautiful. I'm coloring in my jeans blue and pink, 'cause that's what I love. That's a funny song, guys. Let's make our line a little more straight. I think I want to add a smiley face. Let's make our mark a little thinner. Perfect. And let's draw a yellow smiley face. Well, let's make it 5. There we go. Now let's press the button done. Wow, it looks so pretty, guys. I love it. Now let's click save and try it on. Whoa, I look so cool in it. Now let's design a t-shirt. Let's go into tops and look for a t-shirt. Whoa, I love this t-shirt. I think it would look nice if it had tie-dye on it. Perfect. Let's go into decorations. I would love the word love. Let's save it and try it on. I look so beautiful, guys. Now let's customize our very own shoes. I think I would like to wear some sneakers. Let's choose a prince. Gummy bears. Yeah, I love gummy bears. They're so yummy for my tummy, but they're not good for you, guys. Let's save it and try it on. Whoa, our emoji looks so beautiful. Let's make a GIF out of her. Let's press the triangle. What? And get a full look at her. Hello, emoji. Welcome to the world of the phone. Okay, guys, let's save our emoji. Let's press save. All done. Look at our new emoji, guys. So wonderful. Okay, guys, let's go into home screen. Whoa. Now let's click onto sticker. Whoa, look at all these expressions. Let's pick one. Ooh, I like this. Let's get a sticker pad. All good to go now. Okay, guys, let's choose. I like the smiley face. Let's add it to our gallery. Whoa, look at all these expressions. Guys, there's also something cool we can do with our emoji. If we press into camera, we can turn our face into an emoji. Guys, it's me. Let's try a different emoji, guys. It does so many different expressions. It's so cool, guys. I really love it. Please like and subscribe. Au revoir, bye, and shine bright.